everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to create chapter questions for any and all of the books that we have here on the new Digilangua platform. First thing you're going to do is go up to the navigation bar and click on question, and then you're going to choose the book for which you would like to create the questions. Right here we have a little search bar, so type in the name of the book and select the chapter for which you'd like to create a question. You can see here I already have one question formulated for this particular book. It's a yes or no question. You can do the same thing for true or false. Okay, so adding a question, I'm going to ask, ¿Cuántos años tiene Cooper? So how old is Cooper? Now here are the answers. I've already made this question before and deleted it. That's why the answers are populating. Okay, so the answers that I'm providing, separated by commas, are 17 years old, 15, 14, and 16. In this field here, you'll want to indicate which of the four locations or spaces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the right answer is number 1. I'm going to save that. And there we go. And here on status, you can toggle the questions on and off depending on whether or not you want to keep them. And if you don't like the question, you can simply delete it right here. And there it goes. Hope that helps.